inside the Niger Delta.
Welcome back. It's Inside the Niger Delta, the authentic voice of Nigeria's oil-rich region. Candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) in the November 16 governorship election in Bayelsa State, Senator Douye Diri says his emergence as the party's flag bearer is a victory for Bayelsa State. Senator Diri made the declaration recently at the national headquarters of the PDP in Abuja, where he was issued a certificate of return as standard bearer of the party in the forthcoming governorship elections in Bayelsa State.
Senator Douye Diri was at the national headquarters of the PDP in the company of his supporters and political associates to receive his certificate of return as the duly elected candidate of the party in the November 16 governorship election.
Certificate of return. Senator Diri Douye.
Senator Diri, a lawmaker representing Bayelsa Central in the Senate, dedicates his victory to the people of Bayelsa State, whose interests he promises to protect if he is finally elected governor.
We are servants. We are going to serve our states. God is the only one who gives power, and he deems it fit today to recognize me from a very humble, low background. We on our own have even started the process of reconciliation. I want to let you know, Mr. Chairman and Working Committee, that I've started calling all the former aspirants, one after the other, pleading with them to join hands with me to deliver a great party in Bayelsa State. We believe that the only way for us to win this forthcoming November 16th election is for our party to be united. We will be focused on achieving that goal.
On his return to Bayelsa State, Senator Diri was received by a crowded mass of party supporters and loyalists. Present at the occasion of his reception in Yenagoa were leaders and members of several political camps that equally vied for the PDP governorship ticket. Secretary to the government of Bayelsa State, Kemela Okara, who was with Senator Diri in the governorship race, also declared his support for the flag bearer of the PDP.
We went out for a friendly contest, and the best man, my dear brother here, has emerged. And we are solidly behind him. Thank you. So we leave the other parties to continue with their AKUGHA politics. We are united with one objective. And come November 16, it is clear that we shall win.
In an emotional response to the people's reception in Yenagoa, Senator Diri attributed his victory to their support and the will of God.
The conclusion was that Bayelsa PDP is going to implode and that they will never come together again. But today, have we imploded or we are united? United! We are becoming more united. Bayelsa was transparent, peaceful, credible, open, and everybody and the whole world is clapping for all of you, Bayelsa. I am humbled. I am humbled. I am humbled. When I saw this crowd, I am humbled. I am humbled. If all of you stand by me and God standing by me, are we not going to win this election?
Senator Douye Diri, who hails from St. Paul community in Kolokuma Opukuma local government area of Bayelsa State, is a one-time sports commissioner and former deputy chief of staff. He says he is in the governorship race to reinvent governance with his experience in the legislative and executive arms of government. To actualize his dream for Bayelsa State, the PDP governorship flag bearer solicits the support of fellow party men and women to work towards the success of the party in the upcoming governorship election. Senator Douye Diri was declared winner of the September 3 governorship primary election of the PDP after securing a total of 561 votes to beat several other contestants.
Inside the Niger Delta.